Hey guys, Anthony here. Today I've got another product walkthrough video. Today I'm reviewing the Freeform F1000 light commercial treadmill. It's backed by a 4 horsepower HiTorque motor, which gives you the ability to run from 1 kilometre per hour up to 20 kilometers per hour, which is amazing. It also has 15 levels of incline, which gives you the ability to really customize your training with your kilometers per hour and your incline and elevation training. To change the speed or incline is so simple with the one-touch technology Freeform uses. And also now with the F1000 being able to be connected to the FitShow app, it also gives you the ability to just touch the incline and the speed at one click of the button on your mobile phone, which is awesome too. It's the first of the Freeform range that has the ability to be connected to an app, which is another really cool feature. As well as being able to fully customize your own training and running programs, the Freeform F1000 comes with 12 unique user programs, which are also able to be adjusted with the one-touch technology. So we'll touch on the running deck itself. So it's a VersaTread oversized running deck. It's 150 centimeters by 56. So that's really helping those taller guys really stride out their stride lengths, and also the people that stand with the widest stance when they're running. It gives you the ability to have enough space to train and get into those high impact training sessions. On top of that running deck as well, you have the OrthoTread 2-ply running belt, which is a really nice commercial style running belt. You can see that it's got this really nice grip to it as well, so that's not going to wear out over a short period of time. That's going to last you a long time in your home or light commercial facility. We'll move through to the display itself. So you can see it's got the Freemix 5.0 MP3 player and Freemix sound system here. So that's going to give you a really nice crisp sound, and you can connect any audio device to this Freemix sound system. That will give you the ability to really focus on listening to music rather than the actual work you're doing. So it has the dual grip heart rate monitor sensors here on the handles of the lower end of the unit here, actually right where the one touch system is. So you can use the heart rate handle grips here, or you can connect the polar heart rate monitor to give you a really accurate heart rate reading, and that way you can really increase your training performance by utilizing heart rate training and things like that a lot of high performance athletes are starting to put into their training programming now, which is really cool and unique. So we'll touch on the display unit itself. At the top here, you can see that there's 12 different unique training programs that you can select on here. And they give you all different things from elevation training to sprint training, interval training, and those sort of training programs. So you can see it's got really nice wide safety handles for those people rehabilitating or the elderly that want to get some walking in and know that they're going to be safe, as well as this this quick safety key here. Using this machine, I suggest that you utilize this to limit any injury. That just clicks on there like that. You click it onto your t-shirt or your shorts, and then you can get into movement. Before we run over actually using the machine and utilizing the FitShow app with this unit, I'll just give you some dimensions. So let's touch on this control panel system. You've got nice, simple, quick touch buttons for the sound system and also to skip through your songs. You have some preset speeds here so that you don't have to start on the lowest speed. You can pick if you want to get straight into your running or you're doing intervals, you can quickly just touch that 12 kilometers there, and that will get you back up to speed. So I'm just going to flick through programmings before we get to the app. I want to do a more of an interval training session, so I'm going to look at the monitor at the top here, see what I want. You can see program 2 and program 9 are real good interval training, so that's it. So I'm going to select program number 9. So now that's given you a time that you're going to be training for. So this program goes for 30 minutes. Starts off obviously nice and simple, gives you a really good reading here. So this will be your incline level. Then you've got your total time, but it also flicks through to your steps. The incline also shows where your pulse is, the distance and calories on this one here, and the speed here. So to stop it, obviously just stop. That will bring you back down to 0. It's paused me. It would pause me for a minute or so, and then it will reset. But however, I want to reset that program and take you through using the FitShow app. If you have an Apple or a Google phone, you can go to your App Store or the Google Play Store and look up the FitShow app. Okay, so I'm in the app now. Simply, you can use this app indoor and outdoor, so you can run outdoors, obviously, not on a treadmill, and utilize this app. But however, we're training on the Freeform treadmill indoors. So simply just click the indoor, click the treadmill there, it'll come up, press start. So that's going to give me a countdown. You can see the countdown on here and also on the screen. So I can control this via these nice quick controls here, which is cool. So I'm going to up my speed. It's nice and simple. It also has the quick jump throughs to the 4 kilometers an hour, 8 kilometers, 11 and 15, and also has the same with the incline. So I'm going to speed it up a little bit, show you how simple it is to use this. You can see it's in real time. It's taken me to the 6 kilometers an hour on the actual treadmill. You can have a look at it in 3 different modes. So you've got the control mode, sport mode, or the chart. So the chart's going to show you your training. So it's got things from your speed, so you can see what intervals you've done your speed at. It's got your incline, you can see what intervals you're inclined at. So if you want to work on some elevation training, you can do the pyramid training and all that sort of stuff. So it's going to have steps per minute on another page. And the last one would be the heart rate. I don't have the polar strap on at the moment. If I did, it would show me my heart rate training settings, which is really elite for a treadmill like this. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is to incline as well. You can see the incline went up to 8% incline straight away, which is nice and simple. This app is really cool to use. It's really user friendly. So if we go back here, hold down the stop button so it goes around. It'll ask you to confirm, press stop. It automatically connects up with all your different training programs and apps that you can have on your phone. Also has some really cool stuff. So it's got a QR code. So if you meet someone that also uses this app, or your friends and family have this app, you can scan their QR code, look for a member. You can also join running groups, which is really nice and cool. So you can look at programs that other people have entered onto here, and or preset your own program on this F1000.